What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sick Eric, and today we're going to be going on over the Motorola G Power 2024 and how it does not have the Ready For option, or what Motorola is calling their Smart Connect now on their device. So here we got the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and it does have the Smart Connect feature on here. If you were to go into your settings up here, you get Ready For, you long press, and you have Smart Connect on here. So this is the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Now on the actual Motorola G Power 2024, you do not have that option in your toggles anywhere. And that is kind of a shame. So I'm going to show you how to get that on your device. But if you go into your settings and you search for Ready For, which I have already, it has the necessary engines, the apps for Ready For or Smart Connect installed on here already. It has Ready For engine and Ready For video. And the same thing goes for the Moto Edge 30 Fusion. It's got the same apps on there. You just don't have the actual Smart Connect app installed on this device. So I'm going to show you how to download that really quick. So I'll post a link in the description down below to this website, APK Combo. And essentially, you're going to download the APK. And this is the same version that is in the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. You're going to go into About. It's the 07.00.022.1. So this is the same version that's in the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. So I've already downloaded this, and let's go ahead and go into my downloads really quick. And here it is up here. So I'm just going to connect on that. And if you haven't downloaded anything on your Chrome, it'll probably ask to give permission from Chrome to download stuff and install it. So here we got Smart Connect. Do you want to install this app? Yes, I do. And it's going to install the app. It's about 140 megabytes uh, as far as the size goes. Now we can open it up, and boom, we got Smart Connect on the Motorola G Power 2024. So you're going to hit Start. You're going to go through all the arrows, Stream, Cross, Control, Share Hub, and it's going to ask you for all the permissions needed for Smart Connect Engine. So we're going to hit Allow and hit everything that goes along with that. Now you can go into your settings furthermore, and you can sign in to your account if you want to as well. I'm just going to go ahead and Google, and boom, I am signed in to the Smart Connect. And as far as it looking almost the same as the one on the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, here you go right here. As far as getting started to pair a device, then you're going to hit Allow. It does not give you the option for display, so you might want to keep that in mind when you're installing this, but everything else shows up: PC, tablets, and everything else, all the settings, and you can pair this with other devices as well. It just does not give that display for like a TV option for some reason on the Moto G Power. Maybe it's just not supported on there, so Motorola decided to just scrap it altogether on the G Power. So there you go. Pretty quick and easy to install Smart Connect, aka Ready For, on the Motorola G Power 2024. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I will see you next time here on Sick Eric Tech. Peace.